Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate WooCommerce with TikTok. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our official WooCommerce platform. It's mostly going to be WordPress. If you're also using WordPress to go ahead and run your WooCommerce store, just go to wordpress.com right here and get started with selecting your main page. From this home page, we can get started setting up WooCommerce if you're not already by using the plugin section at the left side of the screen where you can set up WooCommerce. Once you've done that, we can go to the official WooCommerce page right here at woocommerce.com and open up the extensions menu and the extension store place. From here we can get started finding all the extensions we have that we can use with WooCommerce, and what we're going to do is search for TikTok. Once you have opened up the TikTok search, it's going to give you the results right here. As you can see, the first option you can see right here is called TikTok. This is going to enable you to sync your catalog to TikTok shop, create ads, and so on by adding this to your store. So right here at the right side of the screen you can click add to store. This is going to enable you to purchase the extension for yourself, and you can even go ahead and take a look at how it works. So this is a free extension, so you can just go ahead and install it normally without paying anything, and just like that you can get started with using it. Once you've added it right here, you can go back to your WordPress menu and get started with accessing the plugin using your WooCommerce store, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.